Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a soft glam, cool toned fall makeup tutorial for you guys. And this was honestly pretty much a full face of nothing new as well. Everything I've used has been out for quite a while now. So if you guys are interested in learning how to get this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start, I already have my base done. For foundation today, I put on the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. You guys already know I've been obsessing over this foundation. If you want to see a detailed foundation routine, base routine, I'll have a video linked down below where you guys can check that out and get the details. But just to save time in the video, I already went ahead and I did it prior to filming. So my eyes are also already primed and I set them in place with some setting powder. So to start, I think I'm going to go ahead in with the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Smarty Pants. And using a blending brush, this is a Sonia Keshik brush, I'm just starting to smoke this color onto my crease. Next, I'm going ahead in with the shade Jet Setter, and just using my Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm going to start blending this color onto the outer corners of my eyes and just really smoking it out. I'm kind of like applying this at an angle. You can see I'm kind of applying the color at an angle where I have a wider blend up here, and then as I get closer to the lower portion of the lid, my blending becomes very kind of concentrated, and that's how you're going to create that nice kind of cat eye effect. So next I'm grabbing the shade Smoke Show and using my Morphe E37 blending brush, and I'm just taking this color and I'm really softening it out on my wrist. You don't want to go in too harsh with this color because it is very pigmented and it's very dark. So my trick is just to soften it out on my wrist or my hand, wherever it is, and then go in slowly and build it up on your eyes. And I'm just concentrating this on the outer corner. This is gonna add really nice definition to the eyes. Going back in with the Morphe M433 brush, the brush that I used to apply a Jet Setter, I'm just going to take this brush, whatever product's on here, and I'm gonna blend out kind of the area between this part of the lid and where we just applied the dark shade. And you want to make sure that there's like a nice transition area. So I'm just going back in with a Jet Setter and I'm smoking out the outer corners, making sure I'm happy with the outer V, just to make sure that I have like that nice cat eye going on. And of course I'll clean it up with concealer, so it's okay if it's not perfect. So next I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Flower Child, and I'm just grabbing my Morphe M124 flat brush, and I'm going to apply this color onto the entire kind of inner corner of the lid. Now I'm just going to blend everything out and make sure that all the colors that are on the lid are nice and blended together. So first I'm using the brush that I used to apply the crease shade, and I'm just going to really blend out the crease, make sure there's no harsh lines. Then I'm just grabbing the brush that I applied Jet Setter with, and I'm actually going to take like just the tiniest bit. Like I'm just going to touch the palette and tap off any excess, and I'm just going to blend the area where these two shadows meet, because there needs to be kind of like a gradient for it to look you know, nice. So you don't want it to be like a harsh transition. So I'm just going to really blend Jet Setter in the area where these two colors meet. Alright you guys, so you already know the drill. I'm going to take a break from the eyes and I want to work on the face a little bit, and then we will go back to the eyes and wrap up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal my face. For under my eyes, I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, and for my forehead and my chin, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And you want to make sure to clean up the edges with your concealer, just like that. And to set everything in place, I'm going ahead in with the KKW Beauty baking powder in the shade 03. So while everything is baking in place, I'm going to go ahead in and do my eyeliner. I'm just grabbing the KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Liner, and I'm just going to go ahead in and do a thin line. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with my eyeliner, and I'm going to quickly go off camera and finish up with my lashes as well as my brows. So for brows, I'm just going to be using the Benefit Brow in the shade 04. You guys already know this is my favorite brow product. It's pretty much the only thing that I use. And for lashes, I'm just going to pop on the Kiss number 11. Alright, so I have my lashes on and my brows done. Now I want to finish up with the lower lash line. So I'm just going to grab the shade Jet Setter once again, which is this shade right here. And using my Morphe M431 pencil brush, I'm going to just smoke this color onto my lower lash line. Alright you guys, so I quickly went ahead in and put on some mascara to wrap up the eyes. I went in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. So now I'm going to go ahead in and finish up with the face. I'm going to go ahead in and contour. I'm just grabbing my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Just going to contour my nose. And I'm just going to go ahead in with a smaller beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend all this out. So next I'm going to go ahead in with some blush. I think I'm going to grab like a peachy toned blush, something that's going to match the lips because I want to do like a peachy nude lip situation. So I think I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Keep It Peachy. I'm going to apply it higher up because of course it's going to help slim out my face. And for highlight, I'm grabbing the Becca Champagne Pop Highlight. I'm going to just take my beauty blender and press the highlight into the skin. And the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. So for lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead in with the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Anniversary. And to top off the lips, I want to go ahead in with this kind of shimmery gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Peachy. It's from their spring lip gloss set. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and if you guys have suggestions on more fall looks that you want to see, whether that's more heavier glam or more soft glam, let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely follow up on those. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.